If you're experiencing roof issues caused by improper installation and you're not sure what to do next, then this video is for you. Today, we're going over 3 steps that you can take to get recourse and also make sure that your roof problems are fixed. Now, these 3 steps are listed in order of severity, meaning you're going to do the first one first, and the third one is going to be your last resort. I'm Brandon Hafeli with Bill Reagan Roofing Company, and thank you so much for watching the Roofing Channel. Let's get started. Use the Workmanship Warranty. The first option you should always explore is checking your Workmanship Warranty. Check over the contract that you signed when your roof was installed, and if you're having roof issues caused by improper installation and you're still in your Workmanship Warranty period, then the contractor is obligated to fix it for free. As a tip, most reputable contractors don't have workmanship warranties that are suspiciously short, like only up to 5 years, or way too specific, like something like 7 or 8 years. We've personally seen customers that have a 7-year warranty that the roof expires right after that workmanship warranty expires. A reputable contractor should have at least a 20-year warranty, or even beyond that, or the lifetime of the materials. Filing a complaint. If you're in a position where you're under that workmanship warranty, but the roofer is denying it either because they just simply won't return your calls, or they're denying that it's a workmanship issue, then there is recourse that you can take. If you're in a state where a contractor has to be licensed in order to do business, then you can file a complaint with the state licensing board. Once you file that complaint, that contractor's surety bond will kick in. The surety bond makes sure that that contractor has to honor anything that's on their contract. The bond company will then make sure that your roof problem is taken care of, and then after that, they're going to have a word or two to say with the contractor that breached their own contract. Your second option to file a complaint is through the Better Business Bureau. Now, you can file a complaint on the BBB's website even if the contractor in question is not registered on the BBB's website. These complaints are usually resolved within 30 days of filing. When you submit a complaint, it takes about 2 business days for the Better Business Bureau to process it and forward it to the roofing contractor. They'll give them about 14 calendar days to respond to your complaint. Once they give you a response, they'll forward it to you, the homeowner, and they'll ask you to respond. And if they don't respond to the complaint, then you'll be notified of that as well. The goal of this complaint process is to use the BBB as a mediator between yourself and the roofing contractor. The goal of the BBB is to find a good solution for you, the homeowner. Now, they don't actually have any legal power to force the contractor's hand into fulfilling their side of the bargain. However, they are a trusted source for many different homeowners, so having a negative strike on the BBB's website can hurt that roofing contractor's revenue. Civil litigation. This is the last resort, and roofing disputes will rarely lead up to this. If your roofing contractor does not have a bond, they're not responding to the complaints, and they're not caving under the pressure, then legal recourse might be required. Now, we're a roofing channel, not a legal channel, so we can't give you the nitty-gritty details and advice like that. However, we can say with 100% certainty to make sure that a workmanship warranty is being violated and the contractor is breaching a contract. If not, then you may find yourself drowned in legal fees. Now, this sounds like a pretty drastic step to take, and it is. However, roofing disputes are not unheard of. Roofers kind of have a bad reputation in the law in general because of roofing disputes. All we ask is that you make sure to do plenty and plenty of research before even attempting something like this. Now you know the 3 steps that you can take for recourse if you ever experience issues with improper installation. Once your dispute is settled, then the best way to avoid it ever happening again is to hire a contractor with a high roofing success rate and one that always honors their workmanship warranties. For advice on how to do that, click on the link below or at the end of this video to watch our video on the 8 questions that you can ask a local roofing contractor. I'm Brandon Hafeli with Bill Reagan Roofing Company, and thank you again for watching the Roofing Channel. Leave a like and subscribe. It helps a small channel like us grow, and we'll see you next time.